In mid-August of 1995, Indonesian general contractor PT Nusa Cipta Adipura received a shipment of Waffle-Crete molds, equipment, and supplies. Construction began immediately on 4 5-story apartment blocks for Perumnas, an Indonesian government housing project in Jakarta. The company was under contract to complete the buildings by late November. Earlier in the year, the president of Nusa Cipta Adipura, Mr. Tigor Simanjuntak, his brother and associate, Mr. J.H. Simanjuntak, and nationally renowned architect, Mr. Adi Merced, traveled to the Philippines to tour Waffle-Crete projects under construction. They were impressed by the quality and speed of the system and believed it would be ideal for construction of government housing projects planned for Indonesia. Waffle-Crete International technical trainer Randy Joplin was on the site when the equipment arrived. He spent a total of 6 weeks supervising equipment unloading, establishing the on-site panel production facility, and training Nusa Cipta's crews in panel casting and erection techniques. In less than a week, all Waffle-Crete molds were in place and 200 panels had been cast. The Waffle-Crete system's simplicity and precision make it possible for untrained construction workers to begin producing precision cast quality panels in a short time. Within a training time of 6 weeks, Nusa Cipta's crews cast about 1,500 panels and erected 1.5 5-story structures. Technical trainer Randy Joplin addresses Nusa Cipta personnel at the end of their training period.
I have every confidence in your abilities. You have performed admirably to date, and I believe you will continue to.
Indonesian Public Housing Ministry officials toured the project site on September 30th, 1995. Nusa Cipta President Tigor Simanjuntak welcomed the ministry officials. He explained the project and Waffle-Crete building system, then conducted an extensive tour of the buildings. Attending the tour was nationally recognized architect Adi Merced. Architect Merced is an architect of record for the project and renowned in Indonesia for his outstanding work on many prestigious projects. Merced visited Waffle-Crete projects under construction in the Philippines with Tigor and J.H. Simanjuntak. He's excited about the potential Waffle-Crete has for projects in Indonesia. By early November, the 4 5-story structures have been erected. Seismic testing and other strength tests were conducted by the Indonesian government to verify the structural integrity of the Waffle-Crete system in severe earthquakes. Testing took place at the Indonesian Research Institute for Human Settlements in Bandung. Panel reinforcing and bolted panel connections were monitored electronically for stress and elongation. Displacement data was fed to computers and compiled into graphs describing the amount of movement at each point under corresponding loads. A 2-story Waffle-Crete structure was erected inside the testing laboratory. Sandbags were loaded on top of the structure to simulate the vertical loads of the 5-story housing structures. A large steel ram attached to a concrete reaction wall was used to apply loads of increasing magnitude. The Waffle-Crete system surpassed all design loads, proving itself to be well suited for construction in areas of high seismic activity. These tests further verify the results from earlier seismic tests conducted in San Diego, California in 1987. Perumnas Dedication Day. The apartments are complete. Large tents have been set up on the grounds for the dedication ceremony. Indonesian television is on hand to record the dedication.
Tetapi juga merupakan sumber kasih sayang tatkala kita membangun keluarga. Namun tidak semua usaha cukup besar untuk menyediakan.
Government dignitaries arriving for the dedication and tour of the project include President Suharto, Vice President Tree, the Ministers of Public Housing and Public Works, and the governors from all 27 provinces. President Suharto addresses the assembly and dedicates the project. President Suharto and his wife receive a guided tour of an apartment in a Waffle-Crete building from Nusa Cipta Etakapura project manager David Nababan. The project dedication is completed and President Suharto departs.